So this is a quick tour of the long wheelbase Mercedes Sprinter. We've got seating area for 4 people and a bamboo table that folds up. Got the kitchen unit with lots of drawers and doors for storage. 90-litre Thetford fridge with a small freezer compartment on the top. Thetford 2-burner hob. Undermount stainless steel sink with running water with a submersible pump, which is fed from inside here. And there's the pump, and we've got gas in a gas box with a gas dropout vent just below, with a remote valve to shut it off just above the box. Storage unit, cupboards above, all with lid stays so they stay up. Touch sensitive dimmable LED lights, and on each one you can change the brightness. Hold it down, change the brightness, goes up and down. Onto the raised bed area, 2-meter bed across with pods, fiberglass pods front and back. More storage above, shallow unit on this side and a deeper unit at this side with a sliding window here. More storage here, large cupboard door here for hanging items, and smaller one above. So roof vent that you can open, and with blinds, fly net. Shower unit with light that turns on. Little vent at the top, just a passive vent, no electrics. Portaloo and sealed base unit with drain and bamboo footboard. Underneath there's the option possibly for another bed unit. That's just a mattress currently laid in here, but it could just be removed and have it as a garage area. And above the driver's cab, more storage, some thermal blinds in here. Again, it's got the LED lights everywhere underneath. Soft close drawers, and it's got automatic closing catches, so when it closes it should go click. Might need some adjustment on those. That one goes click. There we go.